To check your transaction history on IVPN, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate through the process quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the IVPN website and click on the Login button. Enter your credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Billing section. Once logged in, look for the Billing or Account section in the menu. Click on it to access your billing information. Step 3. Access transaction history. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Review your transactions. You will see a list of all your transactions, including dates, amounts, and descriptions. Review this information to find the details you need. Step 5. Download or export history optional. If you need a copy of your transaction history, look for an option to download or export the data. Follow the prompts to save the information to your device. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on IVPN. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.